He came from heaven, left his throne above, walked among us full of truth and love, took our pain, wore our sin, laid his life down to lift us again. Chains are breaking, fear must flee. When Jesus moves, we're truly free. He gives his power to those who trust. With just his name, rise from the dust. Come and believe, don't let life slip by. The door is open, the well runs high. Come take freely, you don't need to pay. Grace is pouring out today. Come and believe, just come and see. Hope is alive and victory